Matcha, a type of green tea, has been gaining popularity in recent years for its many health benefits. The tea is made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant, which is the same plant used to make traditional green tea. However, matcha is unique because the leaves are shade-grown for several weeks before they are harvested, which increases the concentration of beneficial compounds such as antioxidants and amino acids. One of the main benefits of matcha is its high antioxidant content. Antioxidants are substances that help to protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Matcha is particularly high in a type of antioxidant called catechins, which have been shown to help prevent cancer and heart disease. The catechins in matcha are also thought to boost the immune system and improve brain function. Another benefit of matcha is that it contains a unique type of amino acid called L-theanine. L-theanine is known to promote a sense of relaxation and calm, which can help to reduce stress and improve mood. It also helps to increase the production of alpha waves in the brain, which are associated with a relaxed and focused state of mind. Matcha is also a good source of several essential nutrients, including vitamin C, potassium, and vitamin E. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps to protect the skin from damage, while potassium is important for maintaining healthy blood pressure and heart function. Vitamin E is a nutrient that helps to protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. In addition to its health benefits, matcha is also a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes. It can be used to make tea, smoothies, and even baked goods. It's also a popular ingredient in Japanese cuisine, such as matcha mochi and matcha ice cream. It's important to note that matcha should be consumed in moderate amounts, as consuming excessive amounts of caffeine can cause side effects such as jitteriness and insomnia. Also, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or taking any new supplement. Overall, matcha is a delicious and healthy beverage that offers a wide range of health benefits. Its high antioxidant and nutrient content, as well as its ability to promote relaxation and focus, make it a great addition to any diet. Matcha is a type of green tea that is grown and produced primarily in Japan. The tea is made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant, which is the same plant used to make traditional green tea. However, matcha is unique because the leaves are shade-grown for several weeks before they are harvested. This process increases the concentration of beneficial compounds such as antioxidants and amino acids, making matcha a more potent source of these nutrients than traditional green tea. Matcha production in Japan is centered around the Uji region of Kyoto, which is considered to be the birthplace of matcha. This region has the ideal climate and soil conditions for growing high-quality matcha. The tea leaves are grown in the shade for around 20-30 days before harvest. This shading process increases the chlorophyll content of the leaves, giving them the vibrant green color and increasing their antioxidant content. After the leaves are harvested, they are steamed, dried, and then ground into a fine powder using a traditional stone mill. This process is known as tencha and it is one of the key steps in producing high-quality matcha. The powder is then sifted to remove any stems or leaves, and the final product is packaged and shipped to customers around the world. Other regions of Japan such as Kagoshima, Shizuoka and Aichi also produce matcha, though the quality and taste can vary depending on the specific growing conditions of the region. Other countries like China, Taiwan, and Korea also produce matcha, but the quality and taste can vary depending on the specific growing conditions of the region. The Japan Agriculture Standard Certification ensures that the matcha is grown and produced according to strict guidelines, so it's important to check for this certification when purchasing matcha from other countries. In summary, matcha is mainly grown and produced in Japan, particularly in the Uji region of Kyoto, with a centuries-old tradition and expertise. It's a high-quality product that requires a lot of care and skill to produce, and its unique flavor, color, and nutritional profile make it a highly valued ingredient in many different cuisines. Matcha is a finely ground powder made from green tea leaves, and it is typically used to make a traditional Japanese tea called matcha tea. The process of making matcha tea is different from other types of tea and can be a bit more involved, but it is well worth the effort for the unique flavor and health benefits that it offers. The first step in making matcha tea is to prepare the tea bowl, called a chawan. The chawan should be rinsed with hot water to warm it up and remove any impurities. Next, a small amount of matcha powder is placed in the chawan and a small amount of hot water around 80–85 degrees Celsius is added. The matcha powder is then whisked with a traditional bamboo whisk called a chasen, until it becomes frothy and well mixed. The whisking process helps to evenly distribute the powder throughout the water, creating a smooth and creamy texture. The matcha should be whisked in a W or M shape to make sure it is well mixed. Once the matcha is well whisked, it can be enjoyed as is or with a bit of sweetener, such as honey or sugar. It's important to note that matcha should be consumed soon after it is prepared, as the antioxidants and other beneficial compounds in the tea can degrade over time if left exposed to air. Aside from traditional matcha tea, matcha powder can be used in various ways in cooking and baking recipes. It can be added to smoothies, used as an ingredient in baking recipes such as matcha cakes, cookies, and matcha ice cream. It can also be used as a seasoning to add flavor to savory dishes like matcha stir-fry or matcha marinade. Overall, matcha is a versatile ingredient that can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. Whether you're looking for a traditional tea experience or want to try something new, matcha is a great option to consider. Matcha is a highly nutritious and versatile ingredient that is gaining popularity around the world for its numerous health benefits. Some of the main benefits of matcha include: high in antioxidants. Matcha is rich in antioxidants, particularly a group of compounds called catechins. These antioxidants can help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to the development of chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. May help with weight loss. Some studies have suggested that matcha may help with weight loss by increasing metabolism and reducing appetite. The catechins in matcha are thought to boost the body's ability to burn fat and increase energy expenditure. The high levels of antioxidants and other beneficial compounds in matcha may help to lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Additionally, the high levels of L-theanine, an amino acid found in matcha, may help to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. May improve brain function. The L-theanine in matcha has been found to promote relaxation and reduce stress, which can help improve focus, concentration and memory. Some studies also suggested that it may have a protective effect on brain cells and help to prevent age-related cognitive decline. May boost immunity. The high levels of antioxidants in matcha can help to boost the immune system, making it more effective at fighting off infections and illnesses. May help with diabetes management. Some studies have found that matcha may help to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, which can help to manage diabetes. May help in detoxification. Matcha is rich in chlorophyll, which is a natural detoxifying agent that helps to remove toxins and heavy metals from the body. May improve skin health. The high levels of antioxidants in matcha can help to protect the skin from damage caused by UV rays and other environmental factors, which can help to prevent premature aging and reduce the risk of skin cancer. May improve oral health. The catechins in matcha have been found to help prevent tooth decay and gum disease, which can help to improve oral health. May improve overall health and well-being. Matcha is rich in various vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C, potassium, and iron, that help to promote overall health and well-being. It's important to note that these health benefits are mostly based on observational studies. More research is needed to confirm the effects of matcha on human health. It's always a good idea to check with your doctor before adding any new supplement to your diet. Matcha tea is generally considered safe for most people to consume, but there are certain groups of people who should exercise caution when using it. Pregnant or breastfeeding women. Matcha tea contains caffeine, and excessive caffeine intake during pregnancy or breastfeeding can be harmful to the developing fetus or infant. Therefore, it's best for pregnant or breastfeeding women to avoid matcha tea or to consume it in moderation. Individuals with high blood pressure. Matcha tea contains caffeine, which can increase blood pressure. If you have high blood pressure, it's best to speak with your doctor before consuming matcha tea or to consume it in small amounts. Individuals taking blood-thinning medications. Matcha tea contains vitamin K, which can interfere with blood-thinning medications such as warfarin. If you are taking blood-thinning medications, it's best to speak with your doctor before consuming matcha tea or to consume it in small amounts. Individuals with a history of kidney stones. Matcha tea contains oxalates which could increase the risk of kidney stones. If you have a history of kidney stones, it's best to speak with your doctor before consuming matcha tea or to consume it in small amounts. Individuals with allergies or sensitivities to certain ingredients. Some people may be allergic or sensitive to certain ingredients in matcha tea, such as caffeine or the anina. If you experience any adverse reactions after consuming matcha tea, discontinue use and speak with your doctor. In summary, matcha tea is generally considered safe for most people to consume, but certain groups of people should be careful when using it. It is always a good idea to consult with your doctor or a healthcare professional before consuming any new food or beverage, especially if you have any health concerns.